In this tutorial, we are going to talk about grouping content in HTML. Now, we are going to focus on div tag and span tag elements. So later in the tutorial, I will discuss about this span tag element. But for this tutorial, let us focus on div tag element. Now, allows you to group together several elements to create sections or subsections of a page. For example, you might want to put all of the footnotes on a page within a div tag element to indicate that all of the elements within that div element tag, that div tag element relate to the footnotes. You might then attach a style to this div tag element so that it appear using a special set of style rules. Now, in an example, let's see this one. Okay, I'm going to call this our title. I'm going to call this div tag example, right? Now I will do it within the body tag. Now I will introduce div here. I'll say div id, right? This will be the menu. Align left. Okay, let me say middle. Okay. Now here, within that, now I'm going to create links. And to create a link, this is how you create it. So let's say index.html. So the first link will be home. Now let me duplicate this. Control V. So I'll call this about. I can call this one contact. Now down here, I'll say div id div id content, right? Align left. Then I'll apply background color, that is background BG color. Background color should be just white. Now I have to enter a heading tag here. I'll say heading 5. Then I can write something. Can say this is content. Content. I can use capital, lower uppercase. Let's say content. Content articles. Right? Then I'll have to enter p tag here. That is for paragraph. Then I'll say actual content goes here. All right. Okay, let me save this one. Let me go to my browser, then refresh. There you go. So this is how you use div tag in HTML. So if you find this video, if you find this content very useful and it's really helping you, please consider subscribing for more.